There's nasties? Okay. Hey, boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
We get the naughty bits covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, whoa. Whoa, you get to wash them? Yeah.
That's my good boy. He's all clean.
You want to do the camera looking right at me? I don't know what to do about that.
I'm a movie star. Get this paparazzi out of here.
Time to flash the eyes. Seduce all the women who might be looking at my man parts. Thinking about cuddling with me. Even with my gas problem that I have.
Here, should we get the sprinkle?
Look at this
Sprinkle.
thing.
Here we go. Sprinkle baby. Sprinkle baby. Oh. Give me some more. Sprinkle baby. Sprinkle baby. Oh no, it's dead.
I'm
That's horrible. What's that doing on my head?
He's really not ready for this.